It was a beautiful evening when Max and his trusty dog, Buddy, enjoyed a game of fetch in the backyard. The sun was setting, and everything felt perfect for an adventure. One day, while exploring the attic, Max stumbled upon old boxes filled with forgotten treasures. Little did he know he was about to find something much more exciting. Buddy, always curious, sniffed around the attic and uncovered an old dusty map hidden inside an old book. Max's eyes widened with excitement as he realized it wasn't just any old map, it was a treasure map. Together, they examined the map, which seemed to lead through the nearby woods, a perfect place for an adventure. Max rushed downstairs to show his parents, but they only chuckled, saying it was just an old piece of paper. But Max knew better. Max wasn't about to let this opportunity slip away. So, with Buddy by his side, they decided to follow the map, excited for the adventure ahead. They packed their bags with all the essentials: snacks, a flashlight, and plenty of water for the journey. The next morning, Max and Buddy set off, walking through their quiet neighborhood towards the woods. Buddy took the lead, sniffing the ground with excitement as they entered the mysterious forest. The map led them to a large oak tree, but after searching for a while, they found nothing. Was this the right place? Just as they were about to give up, Max noticed something shiny on the ground, a rusty key. Buddy barked joyfully, as if he recognized the key's importance, urging Max to keep going. The next clue pointed to a creek with a wooden bridge. Together, Max and Buddy carefully crossed over. Max stumbled on a stone, but Buddy was there, nudging him with his nose to steady him. The journey led them deeper into the forest, where dense bushes marked the next destination. Max struggled through the thick bushes, but Buddy dug his way through with ease, showing the way forward. They discovered a hidden trail behind the bushes, marked by an ancient stone, a sign they were on the right path. Buddy dug furiously near the stone, uncovering a small wooden chest buried deep in the ground. Excited, Max opened the chest, but to his surprise, inside was only a piece of parchment with another clue. The clue led them to the edge of the woods, where a mysterious cave awaited them. Max hesitated, but Buddy boldly stepped in first, wagging his tail as if to say, "Let's go." Inside the cave, they found an ancient carving of a dog on the wall, strangely familiar to Buddy. The map hinted that the dog carving was the key to unlocking the next part of their journey. Max and Buddy pressed the carving, and to their amazement, a hidden passageway opened before them. The passageway was dark, but Max bravely used his flashlight to guide them forward. The sound of dripping water echoed through the dark passage as they ventured deeper. At last, they reached a large underground chamber, the walls covered in strange markings. Max carefully lifted a pile of rocks, revealing yet another clue hidden for centuries. The clue pointed to the place where the sun never sets. Max puzzled over it, finally realizing it referred to the stone circle in the forest. Max's eyes lit up as he realized the stone circle they had seen before was the key to finding the treasure. Excited, Max and Buddy hurried to the stone circle, Buddy racing ahead with joy. They circled the stone ring, eyes scanning for the next clue, each step filled with anticipation. Buddy dug beneath one of the stones and uncovered a small bronze box gleaming in the sunlight. Inside the box, Max found a golden pendant with an engraving that matched the one on the map. Max realized this pendant was the final clue. The treasure was within reach. They followed the final directions to a large rock formation where the treasure awaited. Buddy barked excitedly at an old tree stump, urging Max to take a closer look. Max dug carefully around the stump and uncovered a hidden compartment beneath the dirt. Inside the compartment was a wooden box, its intricate designs glinting in the sunlight. Max carefully opened the box, revealing a small treasure chest filled with sparkling gold coins and jewels. Buddy barked with excitement as Max lifted the chest from the ground, their hard work paying off. Exhausted but happy, Max and Buddy sat by the stump, marveling at their treasure and reflecting on the incredible adventure they had shared. Max smiled at Buddy and said, "We did it, Buddy! We found the treasure!" They took a well-deserved break, enjoying the peace of the forest after their thrilling journey. As the sun began to set, it cast a golden glow over the forest, marking the end of their adventure. Max carefully placed the treasure chest into his backpack, ready to head home. Buddy led the way home, his tail wagging proudly, knowing they had accomplished something extraordinary. When they arrived home, Max's parents were amazed by the treasure they had found and the story behind it. That night, Max and Buddy shared a quiet moment, reflecting on their incredible adventure and the deep bond they had formed along the way.